Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer with the error code 0x8024001e. So this error occurs when the Windows Update service stops working and restricting Windows from updating applications and installing updates. And the predominant cause of this error is the corruptions or absence of update files open due to improper savings or damage from forceful system shutdowns. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to check for corrupted system files. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and here at search for apps and then type cmd, or this is the command prompt, and then right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, we need to enter this command keyword as fc /scannow. So in all small letters, and then /scannow, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification piece of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100% in a couple of minutes. So these actions will initiate a scan of your computer system files for any corruptions and attempt repairs if necessary. And finally, verifications 100% complete. So after completing this administrator command prompt, and the next solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then type troubleshoot settings, and then click open. So here at troubleshoots, under here at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. So click this one. And here at other troubleshooters, at most frequent, and then select Windows Update, and on right side, and then you need to tap this run and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. So whatever the result in here, and then we need to follow this step-by-step procedures to fix the error. So there is one problems found, check for Windows Update issues. So this is the detected and the problem issues. Alright, so after completing this troubleshootings, and the other solutions we will do if the error still persists, so we will do is to turn off the fast startup. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, in here at search for apps, and then type control panel, and then click open. Once open up this control panel at top right corner, and then you need to select this arrow and select this large icons to check all the settings. And next step, then you need to select this power options at left side menu, and then select this choose what the power buttons do. So click that one. And on right side, and then you need to select this change settings that are currently unavailable. So click. And then we need to turn off this fast startup. So you can see here at the down, the shutdown settings, and the first one, turn on fast startup, and then you need to untick or uncheck this box, and after that, and then click save changes. Alright, so after here at the power options, and then here at start menu, and then you need to restart your PC. Alright, so that's it guys on how to troubleshoot and resolve error 0x8024001e in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.